Those who have pets know that the hygiene of their furry friends is very important, so they must bathe them, brush them, and cut their fingernails. In the following video, we can see how this dog supposedly faints when his owner cuts the nails off his front leg. The funniest thing is that his acting is of no use. Just by looking at the face of this kitty, we realize that he did not like what was happening in the film. The cat looked very frightened and then left its place. Who went through this and then stopped watching the movie halfway through? This French bulldog apparently had not seen itself in the mirror for some time, because when he saw himself, he jumped in fright. Surely, he was eating too much, so he got scared when he saw that he gained a few extra pounds. This puppy likes to sleep in the arms of its owner, while she swings from side to side as if it was a baby. But when she stops moving, immediately the puppy starts crying.
Stop ka dito dito. Wow!
It's so small, and yet it already knows how to draw the attention. Like most dogs, this one certainly likes to be taken out for a walk, and according to its owner, he loves to bite everything it finds, and it's very naughty. But look what happens when they take him to the vet. It's quite the opposite as he usually behaves, since he starts crying and begs to be taken home, right from the waiting room. Did you ever see a hen sleep, beak up, in a bowl full of water? Surely not. Now, notice how this man could record his chicken sleeping very comfortably, as if the pot was its personal bathtub. It seems that this French bulldog felt all the way to the bone the shot that the veterinarian gave him. So strong was the pain that the poor dog cried desperately. Hopefully, he has no nightmares since this episode, as this was for his own good. Maybe this cat got tired of eating always the same thing, since when he went to his plate and did not find what he wanted, he desperately tries to cover his plate and was unable to give his owner a challenging look. Cats are usually a bit challenging when they don't like something. It seemed as though this chicken had passed to a better life by the way it was laying on the ground. But no, it was just taking a nap, since when they approached to pick him up, he woke up as if nothing had happened. With that way of sleeping, anyone could have made a mistake, don't you think?